So, for the first question, I will use the opinion of the European Animal Research Association. So, they say that experimenting on animals is necessary and beneficial for the progress in the field of medicine and science, and always has been. For example, all the veterinarian advances and some important discoveries about penicillin were achieved uh, with the animal experimentation. Second, the use of animals permitted the techniques of surgery like kidney transplants and scanner techniques could be perfectioned. Also, thanks to the experimentation with rats, the cancer survival rate has increased. And finally, about why should experiment on animals when we have other alternatives? That's because not all the alternative methods like in vitro culture or using computational modeling can be used in all the research. So they have to use animals that have a genetic structure similar to humans. And answering the second question about what's my opinion, I agree with the research on animals, but I think that the alternative methods could be improved. So maybe in the future we have no necessity of using animals, but we are a little far from that. So I think that if it is really necessary, we have to make some difficult choices. Also, I don't think it's that bad because the media or ecological groups want us to believe that they are torturing animals, whereas there are bioethical rules that the scientists have to follow for using animals in experiments. So, for example, um, uh, they don't have to make the animals suffer. They have limited of animals for experiments, and if there is another option, obligatorily they have to use it. So we should support the research on animals that are regulated by rules, and we ought to be patient with the evolution of alternative methods.